subject of today's video is how I choose winning products on ClickBank Marketplace to sell on Google Ads. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. So quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price. Sometimes you can get that bumped up to 80% by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or manufacturer. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate marketing program that charges you to join. In fact, during the application process, if they ask for your credit card, don't give it to them without doing all your research first. So, how do I choose winning products on ClickBank Marketplace to sell on Google Ads? What is important? First, market changes. What is trending up and what is trending down? 2, get a head start with brand new ClickBank products. 3, new products are 30% of success in affiliate marketing, together with picking your niche. 4, save lots of trial and error time by doing your research. 5, that's your seed, the essence of your investment. It all begins with research. Now, how to choose a product? There are 5 holy steps/rules. 1 is gravity. You'll see that on ClickBank Marketplace and ClickBank graphs, a percentage called gravity. 2, other statistics. 3, the quality of the vendor landing page and his funnel setup. 4, the quality of the vendor's affiliate marketing materials. 5, vendor support. Is there a number you call or an email that you can email? And 6, test buy the product yourself and see how you like it. We'll begin with gravity. The definition. ClickBank gravity is an estimated matrix that indicates the number of affiliates that have made a sale promoting a product in the last 12 weeks. For each affiliate who made a sale, the product is given a number between 0.1 and 1. Higher. Higher gravity means better and also more competitive. Very high, such as 500, 800, 1,000. Be suspicious of that and avoid those really high gravity numbers as a beginner until you can really grasp your research tools. And also, very high could be there's too much competition or it's been manipulated. Now, what is the ideal gravity number for somebody who is starting out or in the beginning stages? That gravity would be between 10 and 80. Now, important, gravity has to be on the uptrend. Choose a product like you would choose a stock. Carefully study the sales graph. Bottom line, if you're an experienced affiliate, shoot for high gravity and high ticket products. High gravity could be as high as 1,000. High ticket products should be $1,000, $2,000. If you're starting out, shoot for medium gravity, 80 and below, and less lower ticket products. The sales price being anywhere from $15, $20 to $40. Statistics. This is where you really do the rubber meets the road research. Statistics, average percentage per sale. Average percentage per sale. Ideal commission would be about 50% of the sales price. The average rebill total, that means recurring commissions on the back end. Average income from rebills, and average rebill percentage. This number represents the average affiliate's commission percentage for a sale of the rebill. The initial sale, this is the amount of money you will make when people buy a certain product that you're advertising by using your affiliate link. Ideal is around $15 and up. I shoot for $40 and above as an experienced marketeer. The average dollar sale, this is the amount of money you'll make on average for every sale. If you generate, including upsells, ideal is again $15 plus. If you're experienced, shoot for $100 to $200 average per sale with upsells. Average commission, ideal, would be 50% of the product selling price. Again, average rebill total, average income from rebills, average percent of rebill. This number represents the average affiliate commission percentage for a sale of the rebill. Next, you want to be just doing the percentages research. You want to look at the vendor sales page. Is it a sales page that you're attracted to? Would you buy the product based on the vendor sales page? Or is it too messy? Are there too many banners, too much confusing text? So avoid vendor sales pages that are like that are not clean and attractive. Also avoid vendor sales pages that have other products, ads, and promotions. Avoid those kind of sales pages that are do multiple selling with other products. You want a sales page that concentrates on that one product that you're advertising. If the sales page of the vendor offers as a free bonus, that's a good thing. Also, intuition. You know your niche. Would you buy that product? Now, about the affiliate JV materials. That is not a deal breaker if they don't have a lot of materials that you can use on your landing page. Presence of good affiliate materials as well as updated ad swipes, email sequences, videos, images indicates the seriousness of the vendor and the dedication and cooperation, just how sharp that vendor is. Does he really know what he's doing? Because you can have a great landing page, but if the vendor sales page is all screwed up, you're wasting your time. And you can't change the vendor sales page. You can only change your landing page. Keywords. It's always good to have your keyword list, your own keyword list. Finding your own keywords is the real gold mine. Do not just reuse the keyword list suggested by the vendor on his affiliate marketing tools. Now, if the keywords or the Java materials are just not there, you can use companies like Fiverr and outsource your products that are lacking the necessary JV materials. Also, use Google search to search for images for that product. A lot of the times there are not enough images that I like to put on my Google ads for that product. And I also use a photo enhancer to either enlarge or make the image smaller or make it sharper or crop the image. So that's also a good thing. Next is test the product. Ask for a review version or a demo product of the product you're trying to sell. If they won't provide you with the product, buy the product yourself and try it. Try it out. But understand the pros and cons. What you can rely on, and what can be marketed. Advanced methods. Advanced methods for research would be three different websites that I use. The first one would be CB Engine. That's catbravoengine.com. This is more advanced and suitable for calculators and tools and up-to-date recommendations. The next research website that I use to find new products is CB Snooper. CB Snooper. I used to work for CBS. CB Snooper. Again, Cat Bravo Snooper. This has a clear, overview-oriented app. And the granddaddy is CB Graph. That's catbravograph.com. And it's a good place to find secret products and rising stars. First, CB Engine. Good for new ClickBank product discovery. Has one crucial tool, refund rate calculator. In other words, if the refund rate is really high, you want to stay away from that product. Because if you get too many refunds at ClickBank, ClickBank could actually close your account. Also, CB Engine has recommendations on the home page which are not ads, but actually researched recommendations. Statistics, good to help you choose a niche. The next is CB Snooper. Doesn't require manual investigation. There's less info than CB Engine, but it's more pleasant and straightforward user interface. Good for a general overview and approval or confirmation of a product choice done according to the above steps. And last is CB Graph, Cat Bravo Graph. It's free with a paid option, contains very good customization features, it's good to find rising stars, and growing vendors is important to recognize saturated products, downtrend, flat lines, or a potential gold mine. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am also currently enrolled in both Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as Partner with Anthony, the Partner with Anthony training program, and my coach is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. He has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2, $1 million awards to prove it, plus Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's Complete Affiliate Marketing Video Training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market, with no internet stone left unturned. Now, to get this world-class online training from Anthony Morrison or Pajama Profits or the SAS training system, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my marketing video diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.